This is the Feppo Warming Tray set over here. And we're going to go over and I'm going to go over the features and what's in there. First, they do come in a pack of 4. Each of the trays on here is about 8 inches by 15 inches. And then in length, it's about 34 inches long altogether. Now, for the trays, you do have 1 for each edge and then 2 in the middle. One side is for the corded, and then the second edge, you'll see that there's absolutely nothing on it. For the cord to plug in, it does have the 3 prong on there, and then there's the 3 thing right on the cord where you plug it into the system. Each of them fits inside. You can see little openings in there that actually connect it, and this is what it looks like from the bottom, where the heating trays are going to be a little lifted up so they're not going to damage any of your tables. Another great feature is that you can actually pull apart all of these and you can use it as a 1-pack, a 2-pack, a 3-pack, or a 4-pack. And even if you need more, you can actually purchase 2 of them and then go ahead and add more in there, so you can make it as short or long as you want, which is perfect when you're having those Christmas parties, catering, anything like that, whether business or home. This is going to be perfect, and you can use it as long or as short as you want. Now, it does have the power button on there as well as a lock, so no kids can change things on it, and it has a timer as well as the temperature on there. The timer can be set up to 4 hours on here, and the temperature ranges from 86 to 284 degrees. We love using those on Sunday dinners when everybody's getting together and you want the food to stay warm as people straggle in and out, or whether you're cooking many dishes and you want some of them to stay warm while you finish the other one. We really enjoy using this in our family, and I think it's a great idea, and I think you will too.